Hi, I'm Rob. MP4 video files are everywhere, but sometimes you may find a file that refuses to play back due to corruption. Is it possible to make these files playable? The short answer is yes, and we'll show you how to do it in this video. Some reasons for corrupted video files include sudden camera shutdown, unstable internet connection, improper system shutdown, incomplete download or transfer, error writing or reading data, or a virus attack. If you've got a broken MP4 file, you can use the EaseUS Fixo app to recover and repair it. It also supports various other video formats. Find it linked in the video description. Once it's downloaded and installed, run the app and choose Video Repair. Next, add videos and select the broken file. Repair or repair all. This can take some time depending on the speed of your PC. Once it's complete, you can view or save a repaired video or save all of them. If the quick repair fails, try the advanced repair mode. You'll need to add a sample video which is the same format or from the same device. On the detailed information window, click Repair Now. When the repair is complete, you can view the video and save it. If you're looking for a free online tool, EaseUS Repair Video is a great website to repair corrupted MP4 and MOV files. Just head to the link in the video description. Upload your broken video file, enter your email address, and click Start Repairing. EaseUS Video Repair will send you a code to the provided email address. You'll need to enter this code on the page once the video repair is complete to download it. Click Download Video, enter the extraction code, and click OK. Another app you can use to repair MP4 files is VLC, an open source video player. It allows playback of slightly corrupt or damaged video files without the need to fix the corruption issue. VLC also offers format conversion. Download and launch VLC Player, and click Media, then Convert Save. Add the corrupted video, and click Convert Save. In the Convert window, choose a destination and click Start. Try playing the corrupted MP4 video file with VLC. Another way you can repair files with VLC is to create a copy of the original MP4 file and change the format to AVI by renaming it. You might need to change the folder viewing options to see the file extension. Next, in VLC Player, go to Tools, Preferences, and then Input or Codecs. Select Always Fix and save it. Now, try playing the video file. I hope this video has helped you fix your broken video files. Like and subscribe for more in the future, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.